guys, what's up and welcome back to Beauty by Faye. My name is Fewani and today I am doing unboxing of my Morphe, the stuff I got from Morphe. I'm trying to do this video with as little edit as possible because I want to get this out to you guys as quickly as I can. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Morphe, and I am going to do a little bit of swatches so you guys can see how some of the products look. Remember, I post every Monday and Thursday, so make sure you come back and check out my channel on Monday and Thursdays. Don't forget to stick around for the motivational quote of the day.
Worldwide, baby. Jenny, taking this one worldwide.
Okay guys, so enough of this chit chat. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got in my package. So the package came like this in little bags, and the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this is the Arch Obsessed from Morphe. It's a 5-piece brow kit, and the box look like this, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside. It came wrapped up like this, and in that I have a brow pomade. It has like a little spoolie. It has like this highlighter pencil, and this is the color that it is. It's like a concealer shade or something. It came with it came with another spoolie. It came with a brow pencil, and this one has a little spoolie at the tip, and at the other end it has like it has like the retractable pencil, and it's in the shade like a dark brown kind of shade. And it came with a clear brow gel, if you guys can see, and this is for setting your brow. The next thing that I got is a Out and Pout Caramel Nude lipstick. I'm digging the kind of nude vibe these days, you know. So the box look like this. Okay. Ooh, what is that? All right, I cannot get this thing to focus. The light is in it. So the box look like this. I cannot get that thing to focus for whatever reason it is. Maybe because the box is white. It came with this lip gloss in this shade, and I'm going to give you guys a little swatch on my hand. It's like a clear lip gloss. I'm going to remove my watch because it's giving a little bit too much glare in the, okay, so there we go. So the lip gloss look like this on the skin. It's like it's like that, it's like brown, and this is the lipstick. I feel like it's almost close to this one that I'm wearing, so it looks like that. And the color is like, it's like almost matches my skin, so I feel like this will be my perfect nude. All right, and it came with a brown pencil like that, like a lip pencil. I'm going to be using this for my brow also. I feel like these things are kind of universal, so I can't wait to use this stuff. All right, so this is the 3A. The little Vincy in me came out a little bit because we say tree, but this is the 3A deep smoky palette, and it came like this. And let me see the colors. Ooh, I think I like these colors. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of swatches for you guys. So this is the, ooh, so nice. This is the shimmery shade. This is the brown shade. And I'm going to swatch the black shade over here and show you guys how it looks. And this is the black. So I can't wait to use this. I feel like a smoky eye is so perfect for like holidays and stuff like that. Okay, another thing that I got was this Y6 buffing brush. And this is, oh my gosh, love it. It's gold. I like anything that's gold or silver tone. And it comes like this. It has the little Morphe logo on it. It's soft, but it's dense. I feel, look at that. I feel like it's going to be flat against the face and doing what, don't worry. I'm not gonna mess it up. My makeup is not that, does not transfer that much. So this is the brush and look at it. I have heard so many good things about this brush. All the reviews rave about how smooth this brush works. So I'm excited to try this brush. In my next video, you are going to be seeing me trying this brush for the first time. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm trying not to make this video long. I'm trying to just get to the point because I am about to go fix my daughter's hair because she look all kind of raggedy. Alright. Okay, she's sitting right next to me. So the next thing that I got is this. What is going on with this light? Okay, you know what? I'm going to take the light off a little bit just so you guys can see. So this is the next thing that I got is the Jeffree Star palette from Morphe. I have wanted to get my eyes, so I'm just gonna put on my light again. I have wanted to get one of these palettes for quite a while, and on the back it has a little note. It says, "Hi, how are ya?" I feel like he said, "Hi, how are ya?" We all know I live for makeup and bold statements, especially with my makeup. The world needs color, and I'm serving it up by the pound. He's serving it back by the, he's serving it up by the pound, baby. I am so excited to once again create magic with Morphe and bring this beyond stunning palette of velvety, vivid shades to life and into your hands. All Jeffree Star approved and created all for you. One touch and you'll be hooked. So dive in and explore your creativity. I'm expecting to be hooked, okay? So it came like this in a little bubble wrap thing. And let's see what's going on. Ooh. All right, so it has a little film over it. And oh gosh, my light is doing me bad. So once again, I'm going to turn off my light and I'm going to show you guys what's going on. Okay, so it came with these shades. These are so pretty. Oh, I like this orange shade over here. All right, so I'm going to swatch a few of these shades and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. All right, so okay. So I'm going to do the first row first. So the first row is, let me wipe this one off my skin. Okay, so for the first row, this is the silver shade. Oh, nice. Let me do it again. Silver shade. This is the second one, which is the pink. This is the shimmery pink. Another shade of pink. Ooh, orange. Orange. I feel like I don't have enough arm space for some of these color, so I'm just gonna swatch the deepest shades. Ooh, this is the shade that's called Self-Made. I like Self-Made. Okay, I think I'm going to try Millions because that one is calling my name. All right, let's see. Millions. What the? Ooh. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's like a freaking $1,000,000 on my arm right here. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to try custom rims. Let's see custom rims because I'm like getting the same kind of vibe as the million. Oh my gosh. Girl, I can't wait to try this. Let me try the green one. That's called Dive Through. Yes, 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 and yes. I love it. I have had a lot of mixed reviews about this palette, but I am loving this palette so far. Oh, I need to check the black because I know some blacks are a little bit patchy, and I want to see if this black is patchy. Ooh, it's not patchy at all. Okay, so I give all of these products a thumbs up. I feel like I found my perfect nude in the lip trio. I have for the brow kit. It's a great value for your money. I haven't tried them yet, but I feel like the consistency is really good in these products. Like I have a few Morphe products, and I feel like their products are always great. So I don't know. I feel like the product even compared to higher brands. As I said before, I don't want to make the video too long. So it's time for the motivational quote of the day. Okay, so the motivational quote of the day is: leave your past in the past and create a bigger, brighter future for yourself. So by me saying that, I am talking about the ones who keep on worrying about the past and mistakes that they have made. That's in the past. We can't change the past. But one thing for sure, we can change our future, and our future depends on us and the drive we have and the effort we are able to put into our future. Okay, so I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and make sure you come back and check me out every Monday and Thursday for when I upload a new video. I love you guys. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Thank you.